everybody. I want to tell you about the Karate Journal. I would like all the students to make their own karate journal. That way they can show it to me in the future and I can see all the progress they've been making, that they've been training hard and working at home. So basically what we're going to do is, what I'd like you to do is just find a notebook. It can be just about anything. It can even be a piece of paper if you don't have a notebook at the moment. I want you to write your name on it and maybe draw a cool little picture, and then you're going to mark each time you do a karate class when you did it and how long it was for and what type of karate class it was. We have a lot of videos that you can follow along with on YouTube and Facebook, and we're going to be constantly updating and putting more videos up as well. We're also going to go to some of the Zoom classes where you can do follow along and do like a live class via Zoom. It's kind of like a teleconferencing software, which you can use if you have a smart device like a phone or a laptop computer or a tablet. So it's pretty cool. I was playing around with it a little bit today. And so we're going to have some of those classes next week. So basically, I'd like the students to write down the date that they practiced and what they did, if it was one of our videos. Karate Class 1 is one of our videos, and when they did it and how long it was for. Now, you're welcome to do our class videos like more than once. With karate, there's a lot of repetition, and the more we do something, the better we get at it. Even a black belt does the front two knuckle punch. And each time, you challenge yourself and try to become better. You can get really creative with this karate journal and draw different pictures and different notes and add some stickers and have a lot of fun with it. And it'll be good motivation too for the students to kind of fill up their notebook and look back and say, wow, I've been training hard. Or look at their notebook and say, oh, I'm not doing enough. So I'd like everybody to do that. Parents help out the kids too with it if they don't know how to write and stuff. And again, it will be just a fun thing for the students. And then they can come in the future and show me their notebooks. And I'm sure I'll be proud of all the students working hard. Thank you so much, and have a wonderful day.